this is what someone would do. They would say, oh, we'll caulk that hole, right? That's not what we do here. We peel this. We get a knife. We keep our 6 inches. We take this out. And we don't take the quick and easy way. We take the right way, and we replace that shingle.
So it won't matter lining up the next one?
As long as it's 6 inches away from your next step, like 3 tabs. They used to just rack them, so every other shingle would be like that, 6 inches, because you had the rain slots. As long as you got 6 inches, so what we'll do is we're going to take a shingle like this. We're going to make a new line there, which is fine. And we're going to go and shoot this in the right way. We're going to shoot it in like that. We're going to just eye that off there. That's a straight line.
Oh, so we're going to cut it?
Yep, so you can step back. We don't want to be like that, so we'll go right above there. Once you get good, you'll be able to cut straight. Always make sure your hook's hooked so you don't make no line.
So now that one,
You never, ever pull a nail and put a hole on. You tear it off and you put a new one. Right. You guys are paying a lot of money for a roof.
Thank you for watching. You can subscribe here to get our latest videos, and be sure to check out more of the best clips from Paradise Exteriors here. Thank you. Have a paradise day.